Do you accept the science that demonstrates the significant role human industry and conduct plays in changing the Earth's climate? And what immediate and significant steps do you think our state should take to reduce our carbon footprint?
Well, at this point, I am on the energy committee. I was appointed at this last session, and the science that is there. I mean, we definitely have things that man has done and is doing that we can change, and we've made some significant progress. And I think that that's what we need to be careful of. I mean, we're here to be wise stewards of the environment that God's given us, and to ignore that is not being very we're not very environmentally conscious, obviously. And as a grower, a farmer, I mean, I'm one who is very concerned about the environment, the changing, of climate and all, because it directly affects my livelihood. So on the one hand, I mean, it's not just because of me, but I mean, I'm just saying that we have to be mindful of the changes and adapt, and the things that we are doing that we may be able to change and do it in a cost-effective manner, then we are pursuing those things. And I think that's what we have to be thinking through.
Thank you. Adrianne, same question to you. Do you accept the science that demonstrates the significant role human industry and conduct plays in changing the Earth's climate? And what immediate and significant steps should our state take to reduce our carbon footprint?
Yeah, thanks, George. As someone who led fire recovery for many years, I've seen the real and devastating impacts of climate change on our community. And it's on the backs of families, it's on the backs of working people that climate change is only getting worse. And, I think North Central Washington is a leader in carbon neutral energy production, and we are well poised to bring in industry, to bring in clean energy and industry and manufacturing to create new jobs. We could be a leader in this field, but we don't have someone in Olympia who is actually advocating, who believes in climate change, and who is actually advocating for those industries to come here and for us to continue to be leaders in those fields. So I think that one, we can get behind good jobs that are going to come. We are going to have a state response to climate change. It is happening. And we need people who can advocate for our district, for our people, for our families in that response, and to ensure that it actually produces a result that is going to work for working families, right? That it's going to work for the people of this district. And we don't have that kind of representation in Olympia right now.